Make a great choice today with the 2016 WRX. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, inverted struts, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, center console with lighting, power door locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.